artificial grass under a tree, you already know this never ends. Leaves, bark, seeds, every single week, and in my case, every single day. So blowers, they don't do the whole job, especially with the seeds. The rakes doesn't get the seeds, but yeah, you get the leaves. And well, the sweeping doesn't work, right? So I need a real solution. After researching artificial lawn sweepers, I chose the 302E, that is the 302E electric artificial grass sweeper. I specifically wanted an electric model, no fuel, low maintenance, and designed for synthetic turf. The key feature here is the rotating brush system. It's made to lift the grass fibres while collecting debris at the same time, not just blow it around. Assembly is straightforward: handle, collection box, power connection, and it's ready to go. Alright, the real test. No pre-cleaning, no tricks. This is exactly how the lawn looks after a week under this tree. You can see the brush lifting the fibres. It's not scraping, it's not digging, it's actually standing the grass back up, and it's collecting the seeds and the bark surprisingly well. Well, just look at that. Seeds, leaves, little bits of twigs, you name it. It's picked it up. I was absolutely impressed with what it picked up, and yeah, not just the leaves, but this is pretty amazing stuff. I must admit, the edges were pretty hard. It doesn't actually pick up around the edges, so I still used my very trusty Ryobi blower vac. Yeah, just this combo works really well. Just look at the edges, nice and clean, and the 302E did a magnificent job. And there's my trusty Ryobi. Sorry I didn't get footage of me doing that. Another time. If you're considering an artificial lawn sweeper, look for brush-based system, designed for synthetic turf, collection box capacity, because you don't want to be sweeping up afterwards, electric or cordless depending on your setup. Under trees, maintenance is constant. Having the right tool makes all the difference.